Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy to be with you. My classroom too. This week we are going to continue talking about objects in the classroom. Let's start. Eraser. Eraser. Chair. Chair. Table. Table. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Here's my eraser. Here's my eraser. Good. Here's my table. Here's my table. Great. Here's my chair. Here's my chair. Great job. Bye-bye.